Hey there guys, Skylar here, and today we're going to be making Robin from Teen Titans Go. I know these videos usually get a lot of views, they're one of my most popular videos, so this is what I'm going to start doing for a little bit. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first you're going to want to look up superhero in characters. Oh, it's right here, cool. So then you're going to want to equip it. Alright, so you see superhero right here. Customize. There you go. Then you're gonna want to look up beautiful hair for beautiful people. Then you're gonna choose black hair because Robin from Teen Titans Go has black hair. So there you go. Then you're gonna want to look up Hopeful Hero by Reverse Polarity. Sorry if I get it wrong. I can't really read. Then you're gonna want to look up Robin shirt or Robin pants. Then it's right here. It's not the exact one that I use, but it's close enough, you know. Because I really don't feel like finding mine that I actually bought originally. So yeah. Also, I'm almost done. See, look, as you can kind of see, it's kind of looking like him. Alright, then you're going to want to look up black cape. Black superhero cape. My bad. Right here. Alright, so then I think we're going to add like 2 more things, the face and the animation. So there you go. Then you're going to look up for the face. Or you could find any other face. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. It's just I like this one better because it fits Robin more better. Alright, last thing. Look up animations. Then go down. You get to use any animation, it really doesn't matter. I'm just trying to find superhero. See, there you go, superhero. Only reason why I chose him superhero is because he's an actual superhero. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Here's what it should look like when it's done. Thank you guys for watching so much. Remember guys, go follow me at DanielDor1 on Roblox or add me, I don't care. Peace.